Hey, Aaron Rabinowitz here for Red Giant, and here's what's new in VFX Suite 1.5. VFX Suite 1.5 includes one brand new tool and upgrades to several existing tools. Let's start with the new tool first. Introducing Lens Distortion, a tool that makes matching the distortion of your lens incredibly easy so that you can believably composite elements into your shot. Even if you don't know what kind of lens, Lens Distortion can figure it out in an instant. As you identify curved lines that should be straight, Lens Distortion quickly solves the lens. Just a few clicks and the job is done. Lens Distortion is also a powerful tool for getting better 2D and 3D tracking. By first undistorting your footage, you'll get a much more accurate tracking result, which means your composited elements won't slip and slide. VFX Suite 1.5 also includes updates that put a ton of new powerful features into existing tools. In Supercomp 1.5, we've added a new color match tool, where you can now click the Match Background button and Supercomp will instantly match the black and white points of the layers behind it, giving you a fast way to get a much more believable composite. There's also a new color space tool that gives you professional color handling options. 28 new color spaces have been added, supporting popular cameras from Arri, Blackmagic, Canon, Red, and more. And finally, Supercomp's Optical Glow and Layer Glow tools have both been updated to include new radiate options for creating organic light rays, the ability to separately scale the RGB channels of the glow, and the ability to separately scale the effects on the X and Y axes. And just like the Optical Glow tools in Supercomp, the Optical Glow 1.5 standalone plugin introduces the same new features of radiate, per channel size, and size XY. Kingpin Tracker 1.5 now includes the ability to move the entire shape as one, and the ability to grab and offset the edges of your layer within the planar space created by the corner pin. Also, Kingpin now includes a new one-click workflow that copies the position of the two pins to the from pins, which speeds up the process of painting out an object, adding a set extension, and more. In VFX Suite 1.5, both shadow and reflection have been updated to include new distortion tools, which make it simple to distort your shadow or reflection over the bumps and dips in the background layer. Both plugins also include a one-click solution for instantly hiding the contents of the source layer and showing only the shadow or reflection. This is very useful for situations where you'd separate out the shadow or reflection as layers so that you can apply effects only to the source. Together, these updates give VFX artists even more power and control so that you can quickly get the best, most realistic composite in After Effects. You can buy VFX Suite alone or get it as a part of Red Giant Complete, which includes access to all of our tools at one low price. Once again, I'm Aaron Rabinowitz for Red Giant. I'll see you soon.